Apple enthusiasts and tech lovers, the wait is almost over. The highly anticipated iPhone 16 series is expected to be announced in September 2024. With cutting-edge features and sleek design, this flagship lineup is set to redefine the smartphone experience. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the iPhone 16 series, from its stunning display to its powerful performance and advanced camera system. Design and build. A premium feel, the iPhone 16 series continues Apple's tradition of combining luxury with functionality. The devices in this lineup are rumored to feature titanium frames, grade 5, offering enhanced durability while maintaining a premium feel. Both the front and back of the phones will be protected by Corning-made glass, ensuring that they remain resistant to scratches and drops. The iPhone 16 series is also expected to be IP68 certified, meaning they can withstand dust and water, with a resistance of up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. In terms of dimensions, the iPhone 16 series devices are likely to have slightly larger and heavier builds compared to their predecessors, but the increase in size is justified by the larger display and battery. Display. A visual delight, one of the standout features of the iPhone 16 series is the stunning 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display, found in the Pro Max model. With a resolution of 1328 by 2878 pixels and a 19.59 aspect ratio, this screen delivers crisp and vibrant visuals, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or simply browsing the web. Apple is also including HDR10 and Dolby Vision support, ensuring that users can enjoy the highest quality content available. The ceramic shield glass adds an extra layer of protection, making the screen more resistant to damage from drops and impacts. Additionally, the always-on display feature will allow users to glance at important information without fully waking up the device, a feature that's both convenient and energy efficient. Performance. Powering the future under the hood. The iPhone 16 series will be powered by Apple's latest A18 Pro chipset, built on a 3nm process. This hexa-core CPU is expected to deliver incredible performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. The devices will also feature 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance even when multiple apps are open. Storage options for the iPhone 16 series will include 256GB, 512GB, and a massive 1TB, all utilizing NVMe technology for faster read and write speeds. This means users will have plenty of space for photos, videos, apps, and more, with the added benefit of faster data access. The iPhone 16 series will run on iOS 18, Apple's latest operating system. iOS 18 is expected to bring new features and improvements that will enhance the overall user experience, including better privacy controls, new customization options, and more efficient battery management. Camera system. Capturing every moment, photography enthusiasts will be excited about the iPhone 16 series advanced camera system. The Pro Max model is expected to feature a triple camera setup, with the main camera being a 48MP wide lens. The second camera is a 12MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The third camera is a 48MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or large groups of people. The devices will also be capable of recording 3D, spatial, video, a feature that's expected to be popular among content creators. The front-facing camera will be a 12MP wide lens with PDAF and OIS, ensuring sharp selfies and smooth video calls. Battery and charging. Keeping you powered up. Battery life has always been a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the iPhone 16 series is expected to deliver in this area. The Pro Max model will be equipped with a 4676 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery, providing all-day usage on a single charge. For charging, the iPhone 16 series will support wired charging with Power Delivery 2.0, allowing it to reach 50% battery in just 30 minutes. In addition to wired charging, the devices will also support 15W wireless charging via MagSafe and Qi 2, as well as 4.5W reverse wired charging. This means users can charge other devices, such as AirPods or an Apple Watch, using their iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 series will offer a range of connectivity options, including support for 5G networks, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and dual-band GPS. The devices will also include a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port with DisplayPort support, making it easier to connect to external displays and transfer data quickly. Other notable features include ultra-wideband 2 (UWB) support, which enables precise location tracking, and emergency SOS via satellite, a life-saving feature that allows users to send emergency messages even when they're out of cellular range. The iPhone 16 series will be available in 4 colors: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium, giving users a range of options to suit their style. Conclusion: is the iPhone 16 series worth the hype? With its advanced features, sleek design, and powerful performance, the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be one of the best smartphone lineups of 2024. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional photographer, or someone who simply wants the best of the best, this series is likely to exceed your expectations. As we await the official announcement in September 2024, the iPhone 16 series is already generating excitement and anticipation. Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to experience the future of smartphones with the iPhone 16 series.